How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 5 social studies teacher. Children, write today's date 23-2-2021. Children, we are doing block 25. This is our last block, children. Now see road safety. In road safety today our topic is S3. Situation meaning extra care. Okay. Now see, take out your reader. I will read this. Keep your fingers where I am reading. Now beta, take out your reader. See situations needing extra care. Page number 156. Where you should take extra care. In what situations you need to take extra care. See, be alert while crossing railway track. Stop looking at both the sides. Listen to the sound of the train. Stop looking. Listen. Be aware of train. This, see how they have written. Keep your fingers where I am reading. Some situation on the road need extra care. As responsible citizen, we must make sure that we do not block others' way in such situation. Do not block means what, children? Don't stop. Do not block the others' way. Way means where they are going. Okay. You should be a good responsible citizen, it seems. Next, emergency vehicle. In emergency situation, vehicles like fire engine, ambulance or police vehicle help to save people's life. They need to reach their destination urgently. We cannot help by making way or keeping off the road if any of these vehicles approaches with a siren and flashing light. This ambulance, fire engine and police vehicle have they have the flashing light and siren, children. We should make sound. Why? They'll indicate us to move. By listening that sound, you should move from the middle, children. Why? They should reach the destination. Whereas if there is emergency, if you'll call ambulance, ambulance should reach the place immediately. So you should not block their way. So that is why they have the siren and light. Next, see railway crossing. The place where the railway tracks crosses the road at the same level is called a railway crossing. One should take extra care at these crossing. Do not cross the track if the signal light is red, alarm are sounding or the barrier is low. Otherwise, look in both directions and listen carefully before crossing. See, these are railway tracks. Symbol is there. Danger symbol is already. You can see the symbol, children. Then banner you can see. There is a long rope which is blocking your way not to cross there. And red color signal will show here, children, near this. If you'll observe, no, you can see in any railway tracks. Next, children. While cycling, always follow some safety rules while riding a bicycle, such as make sure that reflectors and brakes are working well. Do not wear loose clothes. Wear appropriate shoes. Wear a helmet. Ride along the bicycle path and follow all traffic rules, including the traffic signal. Children, don't wear loose clothes. Wear proper helmet. Ride a bicycle in a proper path. Means ride it from the corner, children. And follow the traffic signal, children. Even though if you are riding a bicycle, you need to follow the traffic signal, children. Okay, this we have studied in our block S3, children. Now take out your workbook. See, children, workbook S3, situation needing extra care. Write today's date 23-2-2021, page number 47. See, what should a driver do if he or she sees an ambulance flashing light behind his or her vehicle? Why should he or she Why should he or she do that? See, you should write this answer. The driver should make way for the ambulance. It is an emergency vehicle. It may be carrying a patient which urgently need to be taken to the hospital. Okay, children, I have written this answer for you. If you want, you can add some extra points to this answer. Next one. Second one, fill in the table with safety rules that you should follow while riding a bicycle and the railway crossing. See here, while riding a bicycle, what are the safety rules you should write here? At the railway crossing, what is that? You can see from your reader and write, children. Wear safety gear such as a helmet. We should not wear loose clothes. Next, at the railway crossing, do not cross the track if lights are showing a red signal or the barrier is low. Look in both directions and listen carefully before crossing. You can write this. Okay, next, third one. Police vehicle blow their horn loudly on the road. Why do you think they do so? Police vehicles are emergency vehicle. It may blow its siren loud so that people can make way for them. They may be following somebody or might be in a hurry to reach a place where something has happened. Okay, children, understood how to write this? Write this bit and complete this. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.